Hey guys, it's Allison. So today I am filming another cleaning room video. I haven't filmed a cleaning room video in a while because, let me just put you guys down. I haven't filmed a cleaning room video in a while because my room actually hasn't been messy. I've been really good at just like cleaning up after myself. But after I finished filming my whole glow up video, it left my room a complete mess. Like, I'll show you guys. This is how my room is looking like right now. Not too bad compared to how my room usually looks. This table doesn't even belong in here. Like, I just have like a lot of little things to clean up. This is all dirty clothes, so I'm just gonna throw all that in the laundry. This is laziness. This is me taking off my makeup. And I even dropped like a bunch of crumbs from a Nutri-Grain bar that I was eating. And I accidentally dropped blush on my new carpet, which is really annoying. So I have to vacuum and try and like wash that away. It will probably take me like an hour or less to finish cleaning everything. So I'm just gonna get started. It's like 3 o'clock right now. So it is like a little later in the afternoon. I'm not excited about this. So I think the very first thing I'm gonna do is make my bed, and then I'm going to tackle my carpet because I really just wanna get that off. Vacuum, but I feel like it doesn't make any sense for me to try and vacuum now because my room isn't even clean yet. So I think I'm just gonna wait till the end. I'm gonna clean off this area and this area, and then I'll check back in with you guys. I'm just gonna move my laundry to the laundry room because I just want it out of here. I'll be right back. I was just looking through my drawers a little bit and I feel like I should organize them. They're kind of getting out of hand. So I'm just gonna quickly just refold all my clothes. Even though I really don't want to, but it looks a mess right now. It is actually so hot in my room right now, but I just finished this over here. So I'm gonna move on to this side. So I'm just gonna put all of my makeup away and give my sister back her desk, and hopefully that should get the bulk of everything done. I'm gonna give myself like 10 to 15 minutes to do all of this because I actually do have to leave. So yeah, I'm just taking way too long. I don't know what's wrong with me. many of you suggested that I move my mirror in my last like redecorating video. I decided to move it, and I completely agree with you guys. I think it looks the best in this area. So this is like the last little section I have to do. It took me so long to like wipe off my counter because there was something really sticky on there. I have no idea what it was. Hopefully I can get this done in 5 minutes. I really need to like focus. I need to do this. I'm hot, I'm sweating, and I just want to get this done. Everything is done. I basically just have to sweep and then vacuum, and then I should be done. Well, technically I didn't wipe down this mirror, but oh my gosh, I don't know if I feel like it. I'm so tired, oh my gosh. Okay, so it's not really coming off, so I'm just gonna keep going over it until it does, because I need this blush off my new carpet. Like this is ridiculous. So we are finally done, and this took way longer than expected. It's 5:41 and I'm pretty sure I probably started around, I don't know, maybe 3:30 or 4 o'clock. I'm not really sure, but it definitely took way longer than I thought it would take. And it's literally so hot right now. Like my hair is completely sweated out, but whatever, I'm glad I did it. I'm gonna show you guys a quick overview of my room, and that's gonna be it. So here is a quick overview of my room. I'm so glad I moved this mirror. It just looks so much better. It's not perfect, but it is clean, so I'm happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this is the first video you're seeing of me, definitely make sure to subscribe. I film a lot of cleaning room videos and just other lifestyle beauty related videos, so if you guys are interested in that, definitely subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram because I do post on there a lot. So yeah guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet.